Many people are advised to create a Hindu Undivided Family, commonly known as HUF, mainly for tax planning and investments. However, what is often ignored is that forming an HUF can also lead to serious legal, financial, and family-related complications, especially in joint families. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. In today's video, we will clearly understand what an HUF is, who can form an HUF, how it is formed, the role of the Karta, legal and practical problems faced by members, and the challenges involved in partition and dissolution of an HUF. Part 1. What is Hindu Undivided Family, HUF? A Hindu Undivided Family, HUF, is a special legal entity under Hindu law, and it is also recognized as a separate taxable entity under the Income Tax Act, 1961. Important clarification. An HUF can be formed only by families governed by Hindu law, such as Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs. Families belonging to Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or Jewish religions cannot form an HUF under Indian law. An HUF is not created by an agreement or contract. It comes into existence automatically by birth in a Hindu family. Members of an HUF. Karta, head of the family. Coparceners, members who acquire a right in HUF property by birth. Other members such as wives and daughters-in-law. After the Hindu Succession Amendment Act, 2005. Daughters are also coparceners with equal rights, just like sons. Part 2. Who can be a Karta? Female Karta clarification added. Traditionally, the eldest male member acted as the Karta of the HUF. Important legal clarification. After the 2005 amendment and judicial recognition, a daughter can also become the Karta of an HUF if she is the senior-most coparcener. This position has been accepted by courts and is now recognized in practice. The Karta manages HUF property, business affairs, tax filings, legal decisions on behalf of the HUF. However, the Karta acts as a trustee, not as an absolute owner. Part 3. How is an HUF formed in practice? Although an HUF exists by law, for practical purposes, the following steps are usually taken. 1. Declaration of HUF. 2. Appointment of Karta. 3. Applying for a separate PAN card. 4. Opening an HUF bank account. 5. Introducing ancestral property or valid gifts. Important legal point. Once a property is transferred into the HUF, it loses its individual character permanently and becomes joint family property. Part 4. Why do people create an HUF? Common reasons include HUF being a separate taxable entity, additional tax exemption limits, investment opportunities in real estate, shares and mutual funds, family businesses. However, tax saving should never be the sole reason for forming an HUF. Part 5. Legal issues and practical challenges in an HUF. 1. Loss of individual ownership. Once assets become HUF property, no member has exclusive ownership. Karta cannot sell property freely. Consent of coparceners may be required. 2. Birthright of coparceners. Each coparcener gets a right by birth, can demand partition at any time, can challenge past transactions. This often leads to long-term family disputes. 3. Expansion of family. Marriage of children results in increase in members, more stakeholders, greater chances of conflict. 4. Misuse of powers by Karta. If the Karta acts dishonestly, misuses HUF funds, legal action can be taken, including civil suits, injunctions, removal of Karta. 5. Tax and compliance risks. Improper handling of HUF income may lead to clubbing of income, penalties, tax scrutiny. Part 6. Partition of HUF, major legal challenges. Partition means division of HUF property, end of joint family status. Types of partition: 1. Total partition. 2. Partial partition, not recognized for tax purposes after 1985. Legal complications: valuation disputes, consent of all coparceners, court permission if minors are involved, documentation issues. Oral partition is legally valid but very difficult to prove. Part 7. Dissolution of HUF, is it easy? An HUF does not dissolve like a company. It ends only when all properties are fully partitioned. Joint status is completely severed. Even after partition, disputes may continue if records are unclear. Conclusion: an HUF is a powerful legal and financial structure, but it is also sensitive and complex. While it offers tax and investment benefits, it also carries risk of family disputes, legal complications, difficult exit through partition. Therefore, an HUF should be created only after understanding its long-term legal consequences. If you found this information useful, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you can receive more important legal videos on time. I assure you that I will continue to provide accurate, lawful, and research-based legal information on various topics through this channel. Your support is sincerely appreciated, and I respectfully invite you to stay connected with this channel. By joining the channel, you may receive access to special legal information and membership-related benefits. If you wish to support this educational initiative further, YouTube provides a thanks option below the video. Any contribution is entirely voluntary and assists in continuing the creation of quality legal awareness content. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.